Greetings, wonderful members of the Scholarship Guidebook community. Hope you are doing well. Are you interested in studying in Saudi Arabia? Check out the Prince Sultan University Scholarships 2024 offering 85 scholarships. This scholarship covers tuition fees, accommodation, and monthly stipends. They enable students to focus on their studies without financial worries. Applicants are not required to submit IELTS score and no application fee is required. Throughout the video, I'll provide comprehensive information on scholarship summary, overview of the scholarship program, including key details and benefits. Scholarship benefits, description of the financial and academic support provided to scholarship recipients. Eligibility criteria, requirements and qualifications necessary for applicants to be considered for the scholarship. Documents required, list of necessary documents that applicants must submit with their scholarship application. How to apply, step-by-step instructions for the application process, including links and guidance. But before we start, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. Like my video, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Scholarship summary. Prince Sultan University in Saudi Arabia offers 85 scholarships for domestic and international students pursuing a bachelor's degree across all fields of study. This opportunity is available to students from various regions, ensuring a diverse and inclusive academic environment. The application deadline for these scholarships is the 23rd of July 2024. Scholarship benefits. Full scholarship for exceptional students. This prestigious scholarship is granted to outstanding students, completely covering their tuition fees. Additional benefits. Along with full tuition coverage, recipients also receive free accommodation and a monthly stipend for living expenses, allowing them to focus entirely on their education. 50% tuition fee coverage. Half scholarship for high-achieving students. This scholarship is awarded to students who have demonstrated excellent academic performance, covering 50% of their tuition fees. 25% tuition fee coverage. Partial scholarship to support more students. Designed to assist a larger number of students, this scholarship covers 25% of tuition costs, enabling more individuals to benefit from financial support. Eligibility criteria. Outstanding academic record. Applicants must have an exceptional academic history, demonstrating high performance in their studies. Nationality. This scholarship is available to both Saudi and international students. Educational qualification. Applicants must hold a high school diploma or an equivalent qualification. Leadership and extracurricular involvement. Candidates should exhibit strong leadership skills and have a history of active participation in extracurricular activities. Documents required. Completed scholarship application form, a fully filled out application form for the scholarship. Copy of high school diploma or equivalent, documentation proving educational qualifications, such as a high school diploma or equivalent certificate. Personal statement or essay, a written statement outlining the applicant's goals, achievements, and motivations for applying for the scholarship. Letters of recommendation, letters from teachers or mentors attesting to the applicant's academic capabilities and personal qualities. Copy of passport or national ID, a valid identification document, such as a passport or national ID card. How to apply? To apply for the educational scholarship, please follow these steps. Visit the admission and registration website to find out and fulfill the admission requirements. Register on the website and obtain an application number. After obtaining your application number, apply for the educational scholarship through the link. For more details and to complete your application, visit the official website. If you're ready to apply, please click on Apply.